On today's video, we're going to install a key ignition switch on the Onyx RCR, just in case you forget the key fob, or the key fob is malfunction, or the battery dies on the key fob. Black wire, positive wire. Connect the red wire to the red wire of the key fob. Wires there at the red, and connect the blue and orange on the key fob wire to the black wire on the ignition, this one. As you can see, this is connect the two, orange and blue. This is the ignition switch for a DIY for the Onyx RCR 80 volts. We have the negative here. This wire is the positive one, connected to the 12 volts. This one would be connected over here with the alarm wiring, which is colored orange and blue, connected to this black wire. So this one goes to the positive terminal on the 12 volts, and that's it. We won't test it if it's just make it. Good luck to this project.